At the Brunelleschi Hotel, we have always considered cleanliness one of our top priorities. With this in mind, we have created a council with outside experts to help to develop a new cleaning protocol. So today I'm here to show you our commitment and how we prepare your room for your stay with us. So this room was occupied last night, and for the reopening of the hotel, we have committed to leaving a room empty for at least 24 hours before it's sold to another client. We open the windows to ventilate the room. We clean the bathroom surfaces utilizing virucidal products EN14476 with a new cleaning cloth. We clean the bedroom surfaces utilizing virucidal products EN14476 with a new cleaning cloth. After any departure, we change the mattress cover and the pillow covers. The pillow covers are antibacterial, breathable, waterproof. The bed linen is pressed at a temperature of 180 Celsius, 360 Fahrenheit, and automatically packed to prevent human touch. We have removed the directory and everything is digital now. Cleaning the air conditioning grid after every checkout. Purify the air in the room with vaporized hydrogen peroxide. Same shift every day for the housekeeping staff will limit the housekeeping team visiting each room. I'm Stefano Lodi, General Manager of the Hotel Brunelleschi in Florence, and this is our next level of sanitation protocol. We all look forward to welcome you in Florence at the Brunelleschi Hotel.